The politics have to be honest. The people have to be clean and honest also. If you are not honest, if you are not clean, if you have a black mark, whether people know it or not, please stay out of politics.
Yum Saki Bamiam's photo, no Tagalo or Yusik. Or Tagat Isabok Sangaya Deva. Yadom of Homsikamai photo, Nam de Nova. I do the photo, Nam the Tadico Yum Saki was kind punk the Tabaraba. Say Hansening ever.
Santi Pam in a Lauba City, Punkudimuna Santi Pam, the later Bagi Lauba. Aduga Huji Santi lady, no capa lepe, quakes in Tamna lady Harisina, Kangogana. Laibaktiba Tondo Oma, so what Tondo Oma Tolaga, who give proofs to the man and nobody Akibo or Poyabagi piece to New Zealand. Agimotadi. Heidi, Lady C, Yanas, Yanaba, to Osi, Luchalesi, Pare, Amanabula, so Amanabus, Mazo, Atoy, and the Tokner Kanto to Osiko, Kaina, Okagi Marie Lenaba, Langakna, Lucian give a what young lady give a piece na teva. Sidi Matang Karamogi, Lalong, Sinabagi pista, Lalong Yat and Nabagi Mogi Kudunza, alone and Nabagi Mogi, Dugi, process Matam Haitare.
Myanmar is on the edge, and the spillover effect has big repercussions for India's strategic northeast region, especially Manipur and Mizoram. Thousands of refugees have already crossed into India since the fresh fighting began 2 weeks ago. The Chin people of Myanmar have close cultural and ethnic ties to Kukis and Mizos on the Indian side of the border. Their expanded fighting and tensions in Myanmar could spill into India, which has seen bitter KUKI MEETEI clashes in Manipur in the recent past. There are apprehensions about the flourishing illegal drugs and arms trade between India and Myanmar, which may get a boost by this instability.
Kukina lal hore adu idadi ida gomena adu phaba niti niyom somna thabak tawriba sema madugi state tugi matakta pulap laiminari ba khunda minari ba furup amana landara aga moina tha taru tumina ye moi marandi karigida kukina moidagi hena kallabai ba ida gomena digi kukina hena kanbra loge matakta kuki laira bra ba khoi hamjani ba question di Lengang mapuna lengak tadana kari sukham te daba pajana lengak pa mamanyam la landam sigi tungi future oi gada basar mayanda khuma khutta phulai pa helaga nomai kamna han bas fason jibu kari ni hai log doi no ba
Moi masen gi rajniti gi kaithen da khoi kuki gi khoichak oi budu khoi ngamjar roi ba khoi hai jaina khoi khoichak oi le ba kuki gi kuki na halakan da sirani sirakan da ma mayam kapani lai kalani loi
Manipur amata waina nungshitana na laimina si hairade balance akhoi manaba tai justice thamba tai amana chawsang na soibra chawsang da phajana potak bibiyo wayan biyo lairaba laitaba mina soibra lairaba laitaba su migen chamana na tawbiyo